Yeah. Ready? Ready? Yes.
No, hands behind your back. Everybody.
That's hard.
Face first, yeah.
Everybody.
Face first.
Ready?
First.
Set. Eat. Okay, just finish the ice cream and the cheese puffs. Whoever finishes first, they win. Win what? They're getting free trip to Nest.
Oh, Joseph knows Gargo. What, Joseph?
Come on, you guys gotta...
You guys know what Joseph
Thank you guys.
Let's see. Kyle Wiley.
Oh yeah.
What's the prize, everybody? What's the prize?
Free hug.
Yay! That's your prize!
Wait, everybody say happy birthday. His birthday is on Saturday.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday, Kyle! Happy birthday to you.
Oh, my birthday is again today.